I love cashmere sweaters. They are so soft, and yet they usually say on the label to dry clean only. But I'm here to tell you that I have successfully been hand washing my cashmere sweaters forever, and you can do so without shrinking them. In warm or cold water, I'm going to add some baby shampoo or really mild detergent that is kind of earmarked for delicates. I'm gonna let it soak for about 5 minutes. Give it a cold water rinse. So I've kind of stretched out the sweater onto a clean and dry towel. Now I'm gonna just roll it up like a little sweater burrito. And this is gonna enable me to further squeeze out any excess water without stretching the sweater in any way. Now I'm rolling it out again, and I'm gonna literally leave it overnight on this towel to dry. It'll be ready in the morning. Is there anything worse than an itchy sweater? This was actually on my giveaway pile, and then I remembered there's a really easy way to soften up your sweaters. I've turned it inside out, fill a basin with some cold water, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Next, I'm gonna put the sweater inside the water. Approximately 15 minutes have passed. It's still damp, and now we are going to add hair conditioner. In the same way that we condition and soften our hair, we're softening the wool fibers of this sweater. Work it into the sweater from top to bottom, both of the arms and the other side, and I'm gonna let it rest on this towel for 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna give it a cold water bath yet again to rinse the conditioner gently out, press the water out of the sweater again, place it onto a towel, and let it dry overnight. I placed it into a sealable bag, and I'm gonna pop this into the freezer. In the same vein that when you do the cold shot on your hair dryer and it helps set the hair, this is gonna help set those fine hairs of the sweater, make them smooth, and have them sit down. It is transformed. So soft. So this sweater that I have before me is one of my favorites. I wear it a lot, and you know what? It smells better days, but the solution is actually in your liquor cabinet. I've actually placed in here vodka. And I am a lover of aromatherapy, so this is a spruce scent. It's gonna make it smell like an evergreen tree. Then I'm gonna seal the deal on this spray bottle. So I'm just gonna spray evenly. Now why does this work? It's because vodka is just a natural, neutral deodorizer. I'm gonna flip the sweater over and give the same treatment to the other side. So alcohol vaporizes very quickly. My sweater is already dry, and let's take the sniff test. It smells great, so much better than it did before. Well, I hope these tips keep you really cozy and warm throughout the season. Until next time, Rachel.